Can you not see that I was meditating? Are you trying to disturb me? Chill. I'm not disturbing you. Chill. Listen, Dr. Abs, you have a big chest, don't you? Yeah, that's right. I do have a big chest. Yeah. So do me a favor and the rest of YouTube a favor. I need to get the answer out of him. Just make a video on how to get a bigger chest, please. It's not that hard. Okay. You know, you are an idiot. You're an imbecile. I'll make a video on how to get a bigger chest. But you need to leave my room. Whew. Guys, I'm back. I've been away for a while. Probably thinking, Abs, you've been gone for a while. Where have you been? Don't ask questions, yeah? But in this video, my people, I'll be telling you what chest exercises I use to grow my chest. Obviously, guys, the chest is a big muscle on your body. You don't want that to be small. You don't. So you really want to grow that, right? Guys, you want to look big, you want to look hefty. So let's get right into it. The first exercise that helped me grow my chest, my people, was the barbell bench press, aka one of the most notorious and most popular exercises for the chest. This exercise targets mainly the middle of your chest, you know, it's just a good exercise. You want to be careful, guys, with your form here. Make sure your form is correct. You don't want to get injured and you want to target those muscles. So yeah, that's the first exercise. The second exercise, my people, is the incline dumbbell chest press. Why is so specific, Abs? Why? Of course, you can do the dumbbell chest press flat, so the flat bench and a decline bench, but I tend to usually do incline chest presses. Incline dumbbell chest presses are great for targeting the upper chest. Obviously, guys, you want to focus on the different parts of your chest. Your chest has three main parts: upper, middle, and lower, but mainly the upper two. And this exercise is going to help you build the upper chest. So make sure you do this, guys. Come down slowly, focus on the form, and come up. And make sure when you come up, guys, you're squeezing like this and not up. And that's the second exercise. The third exercise, my people, that helped me build my chest bigger. It's a weird one which I just made up. I don't know what this is called. I don't know. Just bear with me. I don't know what it's called. Let's just call it the crossover. So this is quite similar to the pec fly or the chest fly exercise, where you come in like this. That's quite a popular one, but for me, I noticed that I get way more range of motion doing this. So what you want to do, guys, you want to keep your knees a bit bent and you just want to come across with the weight and push it over and squeeze your chest. This will generally target the lower chest and a bit of the middle chest. Instead of going like cross, you want to go a bit down. When you go a bit down, you're going to feel a squeeze in this area here. And yeah, it's a great exercise. I don't know how I came up with this. Don't ask me how, but it's really helped me a lot. It's really helped me get a good range of motion at the bottom of my chest. Because if you go gym, you know that the bottom of your chest is quite a difficult muscle to work up. This helped me, guys, and it helped me give my chest a more round shape rather than just a big upper and small lower. And the fourth exercise, my people, that really helped me build my chest is press ups. But hold on. Not just any type of press ups. Dumbbell press ups. Normal press ups are a great exercise to making your chest bigger. But for some reason, guys, doing this on dumbbells, or you can get those handles which you can get on Amazon or eBay, doing them with like a handle grip, you just get more range of motion. You can go lower. Where press ups, you usually stop at a certain point. You can push even further if you're doing it on handles or dumbbells. Let's say, guys, you've mastered the movement now, you've mastered the exercise, you can start adding weights on your back. You can put a cheeky 5 kg plate or even a 10 kg plate, and you can just progressively overload that way. It is a great exercise, my people. And that is it, my people. That was how I built my chest. Those exercises that helped me build my chest. Of course, guys, not everyone works out the same way. Not everyone works out with the same exercises, but you know, I was like, why not? I'll just share what worked for me, and hopefully it'll work for you too. So guys, stay consistent in the gym, focus on that form, and I will be making more detailed videos on each of the exercises and show you the detailed form. This video is more to show you what exercise I do, and I'll just go over the form slightly, but I'm going to be making more detailed videos on the form more specifically. So guys, I hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, stay tuned, stay ambitious, and I'm gonna catch you on next video. Love.